Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can receive messages from everyone on TikTok. You're going to learn how to set your TikTok account to receive messages from everyone. Normally on TikTok, you can hardly receive messages from those you don't follow, and those who doesn't follow you can hardly send message to you. The only way you can actually send messages and receive messages on TikTok is if both parties are following each other. That means you both must have to be friends for you to actually send message and receive message. That's why when you send a message to someone you're not following and someone that is not following you back, the message won't be sent. You're going to get a notification that the message is not sent, and also the receiver will not get to receive the message at all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go about this, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So let me tap on my TikTok app. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, the next step that you have to take is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, once your TikTok profile page opens up, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here, what you have to do now is to tap on settings and privacy. That's the third and the last option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to tap on is on the privacy option. You can see it there. That's the second option. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the privacy section, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Then under the messaging, you can see the arrow pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on where it is written messaging. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do under the messaging is to tap on the first option. You can see where it is written messaging. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, this is where we are going to do the magic. As you can see what is written there, who can send you messages. And under this, we have 4 categories. The first one is everyone. That means everyone can send you direct messages. The second one is suggested friends, followers that you follow back, suggested contacts and friends from Facebook. The third one is followers you follow back and people you sent message to. The fourth one is no one. No one can send you direct messages. So guys, for the purpose of this video, we have to choose the first one, which is everyone, which says everyone can send you direct messages. So guys, for everyone to send you direct messages, you have to toggle on the first option. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now it's on everyone. So everyone on TikTok can actually send me direct messages. And for you to locate where those direct messages are, let me show you guys how you can locate it. Let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me go back again as well. So guys, for you to find your direct messages coming from those that are not following you and those who are following you and those you don't follow, for you to find it, all you have to do is to tap on the inbox icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under here you usually find your activities, your liked videos, those who like your video, those who comment on your videos, and your new followers. But one thing I want you to check out for is on the message request. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. As you can see, I have 2 requests. That means 2 persons have actually sent me a direct message. 2 persons that I'm not following, 2 persons that are not following me have sent me a direct message. So for you to see the direct message, you just have to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now these are the 2 persons that sent me direct messages. So if I want to see it now, all I have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on one of it. So guys, you can see what is written here. Blessing God sent you a message request. Accepting this request will let you reply to this chat immediately. If you delete, this chat will be removed from the message request. This account can send you up to 3 messages before you accept. So guys, if you want to actually accept this direct message, all you have to do is to tap on accept. But if you want to delete, then you tap on delete. Then if you want to report the account, you tap on report. So let me accept this message now. So guys, you can see now I've accepted this message. Right now I can actually chat with this person. Let me send a hi. So guys, you can see now I've sent a hi and it came up with a notification that I can actually follow back the person. If you don't want to follow back the person, all you have to do is to cancel that, but you guys can still chat as well. You guys can actually continue the chat without having to follow each other. So guys, this is how you can actually receive messages, direct messages from everyone on TikTok. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.